In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the read aloud voice in ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. We've all been there. You're trying to get through your reading list, maybe even turn ChatGPT into your very own personal podcast or a super efficient study buddy. But then you click play, and the voice that comes out sounds like it's as excited as a flat tire. It can be incredibly frustrating, right? You hit that stop button before you even get through a paragraph. But don't worry, I've got some straightforward steps for you so that you don't have to settle for a voice that grates on your nerves. The first thing you'll want to do is head straight to your ChatGPT interface. Open it up on your computer or device. Once you're there, look for your profile name or icon. You'll typically find that sitting in either the bottom left or the top right corner of your screen, depending on the layout. Go ahead, give that a click. This action will pull up your personal menu, where you'll see various options. Among those options, you want to find and click on Settings. This is where the magic begins. Once that window pops up, look at the sidebar, usually lined up on the left-hand side of your screen. There, you'll see a specific tab labeled Speech. This is essentially your control center for everything the AI says out loud. So, if you're ever perplexed about how to change the voice, this is your starting point. Inside the speech menu, you should see a section called Voice with a handy drop-down menu. This is where the fun really starts. This is where the variety lives. Click on that drop-down menu, and you'll find options like Arbor, Breeze, Cove, or Ember. Each one offers a different flavor of voice. Do you want something deep and authoritative, or maybe something that sounds a bit more cheerful and energetic? Take your time here. Click through the options and listen to the previews. You'll find a small play icon next to each name. Just hit that play icon to hear how each voice sounds. As you listen, pay attention to how each voice resonates with you. Because, let's be real, if a voice gets on your nerves, it'll be hard to concentrate on anything else. Just find that one voice that doesn't make you want to reach for the mute button. Once you find it, simply select it. There's no need to hunt for some big save button, because the app registers your choice the moment you click the name. Now, after you've made your choice, head back to your main chat screen. Find a block of text that you want to hear read aloud. Look for that little speaker icon. It usually sits right below the text you want the AI to read. And here's the exciting part. When you click that speaker icon now, the AI will immediately start reading in the brand new voice that you just picked. I want to emphasize the importance of this feature. OpenAI clearly understands that a one-size-fits-all approach doesn't work for audio. You see, some frequencies can actually be quite challenging for our ears to process when listening for long periods. This means that a voice that sounds just fine for a quick 10-second clip can become pretty exhausting over a 10-minute article. By switching the voice, you're not just choosing a tone, you're making the information more comfortable for your brain to retain. And just like that, you've customized your ChatGPT to sound exactly how you want it. You've gone beyond those default limitations and tailored the experience to fit your personal preferences perfectly. Now, every time you hit that speaker icon, it's not just a robotic voice you hear, it's a voice that resonates with you. I hope you find this helpful. Remember, a simple tweak can make a world of difference in your productivity and enjoyment. Thanks for watching.